If you ever wonder why everybody they talk about this new Infinix Note 12, maybe not because it comes with this very great design, big 5000 mAh battery and satisfying 50 megapixel back camera. But for me, what make I really like this phone because of some of the applications when come with the phone. I dey talk about from the improved Folax voice assistance to the XNote app and from the Magic Line app to the 3 file manager apps when come with the phone. Well, I just dey wonder why any phone will carry 3 file manager apps when it is now only one person need. So for this video, I will talk more about these applications. I will first unbox the phone, I will talk about the design and then see if the display makes sense. Next, I will review the battery and charging test, run the camera test and see other performance of this phone. The price of the phone now 110,000 naira. Welcome to Mega Light Unboxing, and if now your first time to visit my channel 9 videos, hit that subscribe button now so that you not go miss out on any new videos when I release. A quick unboxing of the phone. It come inside this box and I be the first thing inside. It carry the quick specs and them include the AMOLED display, 4GB when they expandable by additional 3GB, 7.9mm ultra slim design and MediaTek Helio G88 processor. The package comes with regular SIM remover, black flexible bumper case, the charger, USB-C cable, and finally, earpiece. And just one more thing before I continue. The Infinix Note 12 series comes with 6 different phones, and the cheapest one among all of them are the Infinix Note 12i. So see the link to that video here, but not click am yet. Watch this video reach the end before you go watch that video. So I dropped the link to that video for the description section of this video. This Note 12 when I review now the G88. It means say they use the MediaTek Helio G88 as in processor, and I be the second for the lineup. The next phone for the series now the Note 12 G96. That one they use a higher processor than this one. So it is safe to say that one carry more features and they more expensive past this one. The other phones for this series include the Note 12 VIP, Note 12 5G and the Note 12 Pro 5G. Though Infinix intend to release the other two last phones for October for this year. As for the design of this phone, it comes with this shiny back and this classy finish. The weight of the phone are only 187 grams. It gets the fingerprint scanner and the volume button for the right side, empty space for the top corner, SIM house for the left corner, and the bottom carry the speaker, USB-C charging port, microphone, and audio jack. Come to the back one more time and you go find 3 cameras. The 50 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, and QVGA camera. The back still carry flashlight. Even with the phone fine design, honestly, it not to feel comfortable to hold for hand. Maybe not because all the edges of the phone not too they well rounded, apart from the 4 corner edges of the phone. The only advantage here is say the phone not go quick draw fall from hand by mistake, especially since the back they rough. If you plan to buy this phone and you consider the design na go. The display na AMOLED as I don't talk before. Infinix call am Full HD Plus True Color AMOLED. 6.7-inch screen normally they make sense to use watch film and play games. From the time when I turn the phone on to the time when I operate the phone, everything inside the display balanced. The responsiveness of the screen too they very fast. So probably if you install some high-end games and apps for the phone, the display will still respond fast. So again, if you want to buy this phone because of the display, na go. Come to the battery. Now 5000 mAh battery now they power the phone. It comes with 33 watt fast charger when it charge the phone from 46 to 100% in 1 hour 6 minutes. I think it's not there as fast as I think. The first time when I plug the phone, it increased battery percentage in less than 1 minute. At this rate, it's supposed to take less than 50 minutes to charge full. But as the battery done near 100%, it take more time to charge. As for the battery drain, now normal with every other phone when they use the same battery capacity. For example, when the battery dey for 100%, it takes me unusually long time before the battery drop from 100% to 99%, even when the screen brightness dey for maximum. The battery of the phone now go for me. Those 6000 mAh battery for not be bad idea though. The phone dey run on Android 11 with XOS version 10.0. E get 128GB ROM space with support for memory fusion. The follow come RAM space na 4GB RAM, but with memory fusion, e fit extend to 7GB RAM. And the phone come with this lightning multi-window feature. E go fit allow you to minimize most of the applications when dey inside the phone, just like laptop. And come to the app tray, you go find the 3 file managers when come with this phone here. But really, something interesting to talk about na the Folax voice assistant. Barely 1 year after Infinix introduced this assistant, and it don't get better updates. Although if I ask am some really serious questions like, are you married? Or will you go out on a date with me? E no get better answer to these questions, but it really dey very useful. What is the time?
It is 12:46 p.m.
How old are you, Folax?
It's a girl's secret.
How old are you?
I'm not old enough to get married.
What is your name?
I'm Folax, your personal assistant. I can help you with a lot of things, saying things like this.
Open YouTube app. Open FM app. Shut down this device.
Okay. Turn the power off in 15 seconds. Shutdown is cancelled.
Call mom.
No siren card. Insert one and try again.
If you want to learn more about this Folax voice assistant, if you go to the description section of this video, I don't drop the link there when go take you to my website where I explain and break them down and tell you the meaning of what Folax fit do and what e no fit do. Next, for the lineup of apps when come with this phone, now the XNote app. Truth is, I believe say Infinix try thief from Samsung here, but this one a good thief. Most people like to draw and then go find this application very helpful. Make I try draw something with this application. I probably just don't know how to draw. The Magic Line app na special camera app when you fit use take make different customizations. I like this one because it make me look like something when I don't even know. And now I don't come to the final review, the camera. The back camera of 50 megapixel they support clear and steady recording in 720p, 1080p and 2K. It dey support ultra steady and it really dey effective. Wetin not too dey effective na in focus level. If you dey record at 720p, then expect minimum background blur if you compare am with 1080p video recording. The camera dey support food mode. So when the AI mode focus on these balls, it thinks say na food. Guys, I think this camera they get long throat here. This AI mode still come with many filters when they very useful depending on your preferences. The portrait mode of the camera no bad, and as always, I be big fan of AR shots. For indoor recording, you will get something like this video when I take inside my small studio. Hello guys, this one is the back camera of the Infinix Note 12. Now very fine camera, especially say na 50 megapixel camera. For outdoor recording, you go get something like this. I like this camera, especially for bright weather like this. And the quality look exactly the same for different locations and scenes. The slow motion mode too look fine, and I no dey sure say anybody go argue that one. As for the front camera, na 16 megapixel. Although it's not too clear, but it's not bad at all for selfie. Hello guys, this one is the Infinix Note 12 front camera. Na 16 megapixel camera and it is a little better than the Note 12i selfie camera. This phone from Infinix na good one. good display, good camera, good performance, and even good storage capacity, all for one single price of 110,000 naira. Tell me what you think about this video for the comment section for bottom, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. This video will take you to the Infinix Note 12i unboxing and review. Make sure say you click am and watch am, and see you for my next video.